Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to buy a Shopify theme. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of selecting and purchasing the perfect theme for your online store. First, you need to determine your requirements and preferences. Consider the type of products you will be selling, your target audience, and the overall aesthetic you want to achieve. Make a list of the features you need, such as responsiveness, customization options, and integration with third-party apps. Next, visit the Shopify theme store, which offers a wide range of free and paid themes. You can browse through the themes by category, price, and features. Use the filter options to narrow down your search and find themes that meet your requirements. When evaluating a theme, check the demo store to see how it looks and functions. Read the theme description and reviews from other customers to get an idea of its performance and support. Look for themes that are regularly updated and have good customer support. Once you have found a theme you like, click on it to view more details. Check the pricing, which can range from free to several $100s. Consider the cost of any additional features or customization you may need. Before making a purchase, make sure to check the theme's compatibility with your Shopify plan and version. Also, check if the theme is optimized for search engines and has built-in SEO features. To purchase a theme, click the Add to Cart button and follow the checkout process. You will need to log in to your Shopify account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Enter your payment details and complete the purchase. After purchasing a theme, you can install it in your Shopify store by going to the Themes section and clicking on the Upload Theme button. Upload the theme file and follow the installation instructions. Finally, customize your theme to fit your brand and products. Use the theme settings to change colors, fonts, and layouts. Add your products, images, and content to make your store look professional and appealing to your customers. By following these steps, you can find and purchase the perfect Shopify theme for your online store. Remember to consider your requirements, evaluate themes carefully, and check compatibility before making a purchase. With the right theme, you can create a beautiful and functional online store that attracts and retains customers.